Hello beautiful, and welcome to Polished Life 40 Plus, the place where women over 40 come to feel stylish, confident and effortlessly elegant again. If you've ever looked in the mirror and thought, my body has changed, nothing looks good, I don't even know my style anymore, well, you are not alone and you are in the right place. This channel is all about helping women 40 and beyond rediscover their style, rebuild their confidence, and create a wardrobe that makes getting dressed feel easy. All over again. Yes. Here you'll learn the following things: how to dress well over 40, flattering outfits for changing bodies, because you know our body's gone through some changes, timeless style tips for mature women, how to put together a capsule wardrobe basics that actually works, age positive beauty and mindset glow. My mission is simple. It is to help you feel polished. It's to help you feel powerful and visible without starting from scratch and without trying to dress like someone half your age. Your elegance is not behind you. Don't let anyone tell you that it is. It is not behind you. It is evolving. So if you're ready to glow up your style, boost your confidence, and finally feel like the best version of yourself again, go ahead and hit subscribe and join me on this beautiful journey. Also, I would like to gift you a welcome gift in form of my Find Your Style checklist. So comment checklist below if you would like a copy, and then click on the link in the description to download it. Also, if you enjoy this type of content and would like to join a community of like-minded women over 40, then click the link below to join my free school community. I just created this and I'm so excited. It's going to be wonderful. Such a lovely journey, okay? And I look forward to seeing you there. Welcome to your polished era. Let us shine together, ladies. I look forward to seeing you in that community.